At the cinema. First, I look for a movie. And then I go to the movie theater. There is the movie title. I go in and I buy the tickets. And I buy some snacks. I can take popcorn. Or sweet popcorn. Also hot dogs. Candies. Or nachos. And some soda. Then, I look for the screening room. And I go to my seat. I turn off the cell phone. And I settle in for the movie. There I can see actresses. And actors. Playing in westerns. Science fiction movies. Romantic movies. Fantasy movies. Dramas. War films. Musicals. Horror movies. Comedies. Or even 3D movies. I can go to the cinema with my family. Or you can go with your partner. You can go by yourself. Or with your friends. What matters is to enjoy the film. Then, I talk about the movie. And I go back home.